Mr. Employee, sir, where's the mummy exhibit?
Manager assistance requested.
Yes?
These boys want to know where the mummy exhibit is.
It's in storage, in the basement.
Guess who's going to the basement?
Excuse me, where are the restrooms?
Manager assistance requested.
Yes?
There they go.
Look, pith helmets. We must be going the right way. Say something pithy.
That's it. I'm calling Dad. Oh, forget it. I'm going in myself.
Did you hear that? Maybe it's the mummy.
Ew, my shoe is all squishy.
Ferb, what are you doing? Whoa! Who knew looking for mummies would be so much fun? Watch this! Hey, Ferb, this was our first booby trap. Woo! Hey, look! Storage! We're here!
Oh, when I catch them. No! Give me a break! Bubblegum?
Oh, really old, stale bubblegum!
There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a